definitely a cool view. Problem is I'm moving pretty good. Almost 2 miles already. Going back against this is going to be, I think it would be more stable, but it's just going to be a lot more work. So I think I'm learning to surf with the waves, which is good. Here's a big one. There we go. I need to straighten up. 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 Okay. There it is. Okay, under the boat. I need to get in deeper water. Obviously trying to pay attention to my water depth. Don't draw a lot, but you know, rocks. Here we are coming on Whitefish Dunes. You can tell because they're sand dunes. Look at this. Great view of the dunes. I like how my rudder doesn't squeak anymore. That's pretty great. I'm just gonna start heading back, so I know it's not an easy back. Oh yeah. Man, Cave Point is busy. Trying to keep my back end perpendicular to the waves. And then I'm gonna get up there. I don't really know what the plan is once I get by the dock. Yep, this is the part I knew I wouldn't like. Yeah, waves just roll under me. All right, still up, right? Now I need to go that way while waves crest. Let's let them crest me into where I want to go. Hey, there's people watching me and I don't look stupid yet. Oh yeah, so this is going to be the Any chance you can just try to hold the kayak a little bit? Hey. All right. Sorry.
You're fine.
Oh.